Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this song tutorial video. In the first part, I'm going to count out the song's chords so you'll know exactly how long to play each one. In the second part, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. So stick around to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Before we begin, you should click on that link at the top of the description and that'll take you to a chord chart containing all the chords and lyrics of the song you're about to practice. I recommend printing it out right now and grabbing a pencil so you can write in the number of beats per chord as I call them out to you. If you see a chord you don't recognize, and just click on link number 2 in the video's description and that'll take you to a list of chord tutorial videos. Finally, if you want to learn more songs once this video is over, click on link number 3 and that'll take you to a spreadsheet containing all of my chord charts and song tutorial videos. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the chorus of There Is None Like You. I'm going to demonstrate this song on guitar, but you can use any instrument that you choose because I'm going to focus on the timing of the chords rather than any techniques that are specific to one instrument or another. And if you haven't already, click on link number 1 in this video's description. That'll pull up the chord chart that you need to follow along with this tutorial. Alright, I'm going to jump in and play the chords, and as I play them, I'm just going to do one strum per chord, keep it nice and simple so that you can count easily, and as I play the chords, you're going to see the chord and the number of beats per chord displayed on the screen. Now let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. I could search for all eternity long and find there is none like you. Now that C to C minor is pretty tricky on guitar if you happen to be playing guitar. So if you want, you could go C like this, like doing an A major shape and then switching to an A minor like that, or alternate fingering A major and then A minor. Now that we've gone over the timing of the chords, I'm going to practice through this chorus at least twice so that you have a chance to practice along with me. If you think you're going to have trouble keeping up at the normal speed, especially with that C to C minor chord change if you happen to be on guitar, then don't worry about it. Just change the playback settings to 0.75x speed. And it'll make me sound really weird, but it'll make it a lot easier for you to keep up. So let's jump in. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. I could search for all eternity long and find there is none like you. Repeat the chorus. There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. I could search for all eternity long and find there is none like you. One more time, I could search through the end and end on a G. I could search for all eternity long and find there is none like you. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click on link number 3 and check out my other chord charts and song tutorials. If you want to help me make more videos, you can support me on Patreon using the link below. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time.